Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can save images from Google or pretty much from the internet to your Chromebook device. So as a demonstration, I'm going to try to download a photo from Google Images and then put that photo into my folder in a Chromebook. So let's open a new tab. I'm going to search for beautiful flowers, hit enter. And I'm going to navigate to the images section. This will reveal a lot of beautiful images of flower. And in order to get the photo, I can just click on the photo that I want to download. Let's try this photo. And after that, now you have for Google Images, you have two options. You can either just right click and then save image as, and then you can save the photo to your Chromebook device, or you can also just follow the link and usually or sometimes you can get the full version of the photo. Right now you can see that the resolution is only 400 by 400 pixels, which is tiny. Trust me, it is not big at all. So if you want to get a bigger version, you can go and then search for the photo on the actual page that hosts the photo. So if I get the photo from here, I should be able to get something that is bigger than 400 pixel, or maybe not at all. So apparently that was the actual size of the photo, but just trust me, sometimes you can get a much bigger resolution when visiting the website that owns or hosts the photo. So anyway, let's go with the 400 by 400 pixel. I'm going to right click. Oh, sorry about that. And click save image as. And then here you can select where you want to store the photo. By default, it's going to set the destination to be the downloads folder, but of course you can select any other folder in your device. And here you can rename the file, or you can also just use the default name of the file. After that, I'm going to click the save folder. And now there will be some notification where you can copy to clipboard, or you can also just click show in folder if you want to access the photo that you just downloaded from the internet to your Chromebook device. And this is the photo. I can double click to open the gallery and preview the photo and maybe access some basic editing tools like scribbling, rotation, and also some photo effect. But that's basically it. And this is the gallery app that allows us to see the photo and some other features. So that was the basic method on how you can download photos or images from the internet to your Chromebook device. If you find this video to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video.